In this video, let's learn about electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Simply, electrolytes are substances that conduct electricity, while non-electrolytes don't. Here, I will show you a simple experiment about the characteristic or the behavior of electrolytes and non-electrolytes by simply looking to the brightness of the bulb in the circuit. So let's get started. First, let's add some water. Then, let's observe its strength of conductivity through the brightness of the bulb. We know that the pure water doesn't conduct electricity. But here, it is observed that the water poorly conducts electricity because we just use tap water, which might contain charged ions and other impurities. Now, let's add some sodium chloride in the water and stir it until its particles ionize. Ionization is the process of dissociating uncharged particles into ions as a result of a chemical reaction. In this experiment, we use sodium chloride as a common electrolyte that can be found at home. After ionizing the sodium chloride, let's now see its strength of conductivity through the brightness of the light bulb. As you can see, the light bulb lightens up so bright. It is because when we add a given salt in water, it readily forms into ions such as cations, the positively charged, and anions, the negatively charged, making it a good conductor of electricity. At this point, let's now remove the first solution and change it with another water. Let's try again to light the bulb and see the brightness of it. As we observe, the brightness is the same with water only. Now, let's add some sucrose, also known as the common sugar. Stir it until it dissociates. Dissociation is the process in which particles break down into smaller particles. After dissociating the sucrose, let's now take a look to the brightness of the light bulb. As you can see, it is just the same with the brightness of the light bulb with the water itself. In this experiment, we observed that the sodium chloride is really an electrolyte because it strongly conducts electricity, while the sucrose is a non